In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and copy URL of any Facebook profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook application, and if you want to copy URL of your Facebook profile, just tap here at your profile picture, then tap at three dots icon, and here you can find your Facebook URL, and there you can just tap at copy link to clipboard, and now you can share this link wherever you want. And now let's move on to the next step. What if you want to copy a link for another person's profile? In that case, all you have to do is go to that person's profile. From here, tap at three dots icon, and there you can find that person's profile link. Now you can hit add copy link to copy it to clipboard and then share it wherever you want. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.